I will show you how to repot an aloe plant. Here we have some dirt. It's not my first choice of dirt, but the previous owner of my residence left it in the shed, so here we are. It has some sticks and stuff in it, so we will have to add less sticks and stuff to make it viable for an aloe substrate. This may look like dirt, but it's actually organic compost. My gratitude to Herzl Farms for donating it to the place where I work. I'm only going to use this small amount to try to avoid too many wet banana peels decomposing in the substrate. Organic material is a boon, but it can also be a double-edged sword. You know you've added too much if your potted plants begin to sprout mushrooms. Don't hate on the mushrooms though, they are your friends, and they are helping. Also, don't eat the mushrooms. This is wood. Douglas fir bark fines from Bonsai Jack. A little bit pricey, but a quality product. No additives or dyes, and I've never gotten pests using the batch I bought, which was years ago. I used some bark chips that I bought at the hardware store and ended up with soil mites in my isopod enclosures. How dreadful. This is perlite. Combined with the wood, it creates essential drainage to pass excess water and allow the soil and the plant's roots to breathe precious air. At least I think that's how it works. I don't know. I mixed it all together. Something doesn't look quite right here. I'll add some more perlite. I mixed it all together. Yes, I outsourced my mixing, but it's still me doing the mixing, if you know what I mean. Unamended soil? Amended soil. This is the baby plant. My mission is to extract it and to claim its independence, and to bury its progenitor deeper in the soil to avoid its imminent submission to gravity. The key to preserving plants in this situation is to guide them instead of pull them. If you have to free a plant from something, for example, if you notice some of the roots are caught, the plant would probably rather be cut free than ripped and stretched as you work it free with brute force. At least I think that's how it works. I don't know. This over to my left is a vessel prepared for Philip. I don't normally name plants, but this is an instructional video dedicated to my godmother, and it is worthy of including in this video because I have determined that it will make her smile and or laugh. I have filled a container with distilled water. Any water without chlorine would do. This is a chunk of sphagnum moss. It has and will serve as a filter for the drainage hole in the ceramic pot. I would have probably used even less compost if I didn't know I would be mixing the newly prepared substrate with what was already sustaining the plants. A little goes a long way. You thought I was going to make her watch the whole thing, didn't you? Nah. Oh look, this sad little leaf broke off. How tragic. I used it on my sunburn and didn't peel at all. Next, I did Philip. The substrate normally compresses during watering, so I added some more substrate. I had a lot of fun learning how to edit videos making this.